Kung makatanggi. Parang may tinatago.
I grew up in Holland.
In
Holland.
Holland?
Yeah, I've just been studying here in Cebu.
Since when?
This year.
Ah, okay. Ba't ka nag-join?
Yung isa kumangking star. Be the next star.
Like? Like who?
Well, yung dance, yung hilig ko talaga is dance. I like to dance lang.
Sinong taga Cebu, mami mo, daddy mo?
My daddy yung taga Cebu at saka yung mami ko taga Leyte.
Ah, okay. Sige, anong talent mo?
Dancing and singing.
Isa lang.
Dancing.
Okay.
Can I request for Get Right? Get Right.
Okay, thank you. Nasaan yung number mo? Ba't di mo pinakita? Eh, yan yung basis namin. Wala na. Yes. Kuya, pa-close up. Anong height mo? Get your microphone, please.
5'11" po.
Patingin. Profile to your left. Left. Tingin this. Camera. Tingin ka sa camera. Kabilang side. Okay. Sige. Thank you.
Thank you po.